Hello, this is Spiridula from the Opa kitchen, and today we are going to make kourambiethes, almond butter cookies. It's very easy and very little ingredients. We are going to put the butter, melted butter, with the sugar. We are going to mix it for about 10 minutes. Okay, now put the 2 egg yolks and the cognac and mix it for about 5 more minutes. Okay, crush the roasted almonds and put them in the mixer with all the other ingredients. Slowly we put the all-purpose flour and be careful, don't put too much and don't knead it too much. The dough has to be very soft. And we make the balls, like small balls, about 30 grams each, and shape them like I show you on the video. Preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. We bake them at 375 for about 25 minutes, and please check your oven, maybe it's different than mine. And then after they come out, we immediately powder them with powdered sugar. They are the best kourambiethes you ever tried. Very soft. Thank you for watching from the Opa kitchen, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Καλά Χριστούγεννα και ευτυχισμένος ο καινούριος χρόνος.